fans, welcome back. In this video, we explore the latest and most innovative home security gadgets that you need to know about. From smart cameras to advanced alarm systems, these devices are designed to keep your home safe and secure. Join us as we uncover the top home security gadgets you should see right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home security tips and updates. While the Mower Robot guards are on patrol, the T2000 model might sound like another Terminator. But it can't break through walls or deliver the famous "Hasta la vista, baby" just yet. However, it's packed with over 20 sensors, 4 cameras, and LiDAR, giving it a 360 degrees monitoring range to easily detect intruders or suspicious activities. The robot quickly notifies the owner and everyone registered in its database, sending alerts directly to their smartphones or email, complete with photos. It can also activate a 120 decibel alarm, louder than a rock concert. When Sylvester Stallone owned a 1950 Ford Mercury, just like the one he drove in Cobra, thieves managed to steal it right from his garage. It makes you wonder if he should invest in ballistic barriers. This company offers garage doors claimed to be the safest in the world. Their top-tier Violentum 4 Level 8 version can withstand crowbars, AK-47 and 12-gauge shotgun rounds, C4 explosions, and even car ramming attempts. They say the gate can hold off criminal attacks for up to an hour, making it incredibly secure. Even the most determined criminals probably don't have that much time to spare. There are many turret options for home security, but the PaintCam solution from the PaintCam team is truly unique. It's the world's first smart turret security system using paintball technology. When someone comes within 30 meters of your house, the camera detects them using AI that can recognize people and pets. If it spots an intruder, the system fires paintballs. And not just any paintballs. You can choose ones that leave a mark visible only under UV light, or even those filled with tear gas. Plus, the owner can monitor activities and control the turrets directly from their smartphone. Adding drones to your security system can be incredibly practical. In Japan, drones are now used to protect important sites like gas storage and radio towers. What makes these drones special is their easy setup and fast deployment. Stored and charged in special hubs, they can launch in just 5 seconds for quick defense. They operate autonomously, capturing high-definition footage without needing manual control. Plus, they can fully recharge in just 22 minutes. Introducing the Scorkl 2.0, a game-changer for underwater exploration. Now anyone can dive into the depths and enjoy a full 10 minutes of underwater breathing. It's the perfect solution for those curious about scuba diving, but hesitant about investing in extensive gear. Using the Scorkl is a breeze. You can easily pump air into it with a hand pump. The tank itself is compact and securely held in place with your teeth, freeing up your hands for exploration. Beginners are advised to stick to depths of no more than 3 meters and limit their dives to 5 times a day. The success of the concept has led to the release of the Scorkl 2.0, featuring an exciting new addition, an included compressor. This compressor can be powered by 1 or 2 18-volt batteries, offering even more convenience for underwater adventurers. And the best part? The entire kit is available for just $200. Dive into adventure with the Scorkl 2.0. Introducing the Subwing Honeycomb. For just $37, you can dive into the sensation of flying beneath the waves. Picture yourself like a mermaid or dolphin, gracefully gliding through the underwater world. The Subwing is cleverly crafted with 2 wings that move, linked to a boat by a cable. This setup offers remarkable agility, even if you're wearing a scuba tank. You can effortlessly spin around, and there's a special rope for a comfortable one-handed grip, ideal for taking selfies while you soar. With speeds of up to 7.4 km, capturing those unforgettable moments is a breeze. Don't miss out on the underwater adventure of a lifetime with the Subwing, priced at just $200. It's an experience you'll cherish. The saying "forewarned is forearmed" rings true for anyone looking to safeguard their home. So let's kickstart our defense plan with a perimeter surveillance system. With this system on guard, intruders are spotted the moment they step foot near your property. Trusted globally, it's the go-to choice for 8 out of the top 10 US energy companies. Come rain or shine, it works round the clock, tagging any suspicious characters with GPS coordinates, pinpointing exactly where they are. And setting up and configuring tracking zones is as simple as playing a video game. Efforts like those seen with FoggYou, a fogging system, are gaining popularity. This system, favored by police officers worldwide, can fill 150 cubic meters with smoke in just 20 seconds. Plus, it's super easy to set up, taking only 20 minutes thanks to its simple design. Imagine if criminals were as skilled as Ethan Hunt, managing to outsmart your security cameras, remote guns, drones, and other obstacles. Even then, they'd face a tough second line of defense. Take these windows, for instance. They can withstand a sledgehammer, AK-47 gunfire, flamethrower flames, and even a car crash. While regular armored glass can be broken in about 30 seconds, this high-end version can hold up for 30 minutes or more. That's why it's trusted at high-security events like the G20 Summit. With this level of protection, you can feel confident that your safety is in good hands. Verisure Alarm has made great progress in developing and distributing security systems, including creating its own alarm monitoring center. In an emergency, help is just 45 seconds away, ensuring a quick response when you need it most. Verisure Alarm offers a wide range of solutions, from sirens and shock sensors to panic buttons and cameras. A standout feature is the Zero Vision system, which fills a room with smoke in seconds, making it impossible to see. Imagine trying to move around when you can't even see your hand in front of you. Plus, the smoke is safe for both people and pets. Weighing only 830 grams and with no wires needed, it's an easy and effective addition to your security setup. While Security Screens offers an impressive solution, protective screens that look just like regular insect screens. With tens of thousands of installations and no reported break-ins, their reputation is solid. These screens can even withstand Category 4 hurricanes with winds up to 251 km/h. Made with tough wire mesh and a strong aluminum frame, they're incredibly sturdy. They also handle smaller projects like pet doors. Plus, with the Safe School project, they're giving schools a generous 50% discount. Lockly is making waves at big tech events with its latest security gadgets. Take the Lockly Visage Lock, which wowed the crowd at CES 2024. This lock isn't just smart, it's practically futuristic. The coolest feature? Its binocular facial recognition technology. Walk up to the door within 80 centimeters, and it opens in just 1.5 seconds. Unless it doesn't recognize you. But don't worry, you can still get in using an RFID tag, password, fingerprint, or even a regular key. Plus, it works with smart assistants like Amazon Alexa and supports NFC, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. It can also store up to 100 faces in its memory. If all goes as planned, this cutting-edge lock will be available this summer for $350.